Good afternoon, children. Today we are going to see new lesson from chemistry. Lesson number 1. What is chemistry about? Chemistry is an important branch of science. We already seen branches of science. What are the branches of science we have seen? Yes, physics, chemistry and biology. Now we are going to see about what is chemistry. Chemistry is a study of substances and their transformation. Now we are going to see about what is the substances and what is transformation. Substances. I said that chemistry is a study of substances and their transformation. Substances. Everything around us. Air, water, pen, pencil, toy and chair, table, book. Everything is made up of matter. I think now we all know about what is matter. Yes, we have learnt in this in physics. It's matter. Anything that occupies space and has mass is called matter. Also learned about 3 states of matter, isn't it? Yes, liquid, solid and gaseous state. Why does air is different from water and water is different from a pen, or a pen is different from a table? They are different because of the kind of matter which is present in the substance. They are differ. Air is differ from water and pen is differ from pencil and pencil is different from chair because of the substance they contain. The substance which is present in the air, the substance which is present in the pen, the substance which is present in the chair is different. So all these things are different. Substance here is nothing but what the matter is made up of. What is chemistry? Yes, chemistry is the study of substances and their transformation. So what is substances here? The substance is nothing but what the kind of matter or the substance which is present inside the matter. For example, see this pictures: milk, coke, bell, balloons, beer and books, air and pen are made up of different substance. This makes the difference in this matter. This makes the difference. The substance which is present inside this matter makes the difference between each things. And what about ice, water and water vapor? Yes, ice, water and water vapor are made up of same substance. What is the same substance? That is nothing but water. Ice, water and water vapor are made up of same substance. That is the hydrogen molecule and oxygen molecule. Now let us see what is transformations. I said that chemistry is a study of substances and their transformation. Now you know about what is substances. Now let us see about what is transformations. Transformations are nothing but it is a kind of change. Changes takes place every moment around us. We are going to see here about 2 major kinds of change. One is physical change and another one is chemical change. First let us see about what is physical change. There is no change in a substance even it is changed from one state to another state or one form to another form. For example, when ice melts, water freezes or water boils. If there is any change in the substance, is the water is changed into any form or water is changed into stone, water is changed into no, the substance which is present in the water remains same in all these changes, even it is changed from one state to another state. The substance present in the water remains unchanged in all these changes. So this type of changes are called as physical changes. You take a pencil and cut the pencil into 2 pieces, and the 2 pieces of the pencil will have the same quality, which means the writing quality, or only the shape of the pencil gets changed. The remaining quality of the pencil remains same. So this type of changes are called as physical change. Only the changes occurs in the size, shape and color are called as physical change. Substance present in the matter does not change. So this type of changes are called as physical change. Now let us see what is chemical change. Chemical change is just fully opposite to physical change. In chemical change, the substance changes. A common example is burning. What happens when a paper or wood burns? Paper and wood are made up of a substance or called as cellulose. When a paper or a wood burns, it forms a new substance, ash. You will get the ash, you will not get the paper and wood again. And when the substance which is present inside this paper and wood, what is the substance made up of? As I said, this is made up of a cellulose. When cellulose is burned, while burning, cellulose gives two new substances, carbon dioxide and water. So carbon dioxide and water are different from cellulose. Here in chemical change, the substance changes. Because here cellulose changed into carbon dioxide and water while burning. Whenever a substance undergoes a chemical change, we say that it has been transformed into another substance. But it does not happen in physical change. The substance remains same. It does not changes from one form to another form or one substance into another substance. And what makes this chemical change? Some chemical reaction has taken place that makes that chemical change. In chemical change, when wood or paper burns, the chemical reaction which takes place between the cellulose and the air or oxygen and carbon dioxide is present in the air, and that gives two new substances called as carbon dioxide and water. Water means water in the form of water vapor. At the same time, when carbon is burnt in air, it forms carbon dioxide. Here the carbon is in solid state, but the carbon dioxide is in gaseous state. So here this chemical changes has taken place. Carbon is different from carbon dioxide. So carbon is transformed into carbon dioxide when it burned. This type of change is called as chemical change. Thank you children. We'll see the remaining in next class.